Art.
Today, I will demonstrate how to connect an 74LS04 IC. First, we have a battery. I use this 9 volts, and then a 3-way switch, ground, plus, and the connection for the IC. First, the IC number 7 is connected to the negative, and the IC number 14 connected to the positive. And then the LED we use is connected to the output of the 74LS04. The output is second from the left. Okay, I plug it to the positive, the one to the positive, and then the one to the negative, and then the middle of the switch connected to the first of the pin of the IC. Okay, and we connect the battery. I used to connect the first negative and then the positive. Okay, this is the connection of the battery, and then we have to switch this to see if the LED is connected to the battery into the IC. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.